everyone, it's Mark. Welcome back. And in today's video, I am really excited because I'm going to show you guys 3 easy things to make with popsicle sticks. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. If you're new here, hello, I'm Mark. On this channel, I do DIYs and vlogs just like this one. So if you haven't already, click that little subscribe button right now and turn on those notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload something new. Now, without any further ado, let's just hop right in. The first thing we'll be making is this really cool popsicle stick shelf. Start off by taking 6 popsicle sticks, putting 3 on the bottom and putting 3 on the top, laying them out in a hexagon shape. It's okay if they fall off. This is just kind of like a guideline so we know where to glue our popsicle sticks. Then put a dot on the end of your popsicle stick and glue the other popsicle stick in place. Then hold it down for a few seconds to ensure that it stays. Repeat the same process on the other side. Then we're going to repeat the exact same process for the entire hexagon. Slowly start to layer your hexagon just as I'm doing. I would not recommend using Elmer's glue for this craft as it can take a long time to dry and it is not as strong. Now you're done. This step is optional, but you can give your shelf a coat of paint or stain. Here I'm painting mine white. Make sure to paint between those little tiny cracks in the popsicle sticks as this will give your shelf a nice clean look. This did take me a few coats to get a clean finish, but it was all worth it in the end. The next thing we're going to be making is this popsicle stick puzzle. Start out by taking a printed out image of your choice and putting some Mod Podge on the back. Once you've done that, take some popsicle sticks and start to lay them out on the back of your picture. Once you've finished, press all of your popsicle sticks down firmly just to make sure that they stay. After the back has dried, brush a layer of Mod Podge on the front. Once the front has dried, you're going to take your picture and cut where the popsicle sticks kind of meet. This does take a lot of work and do be sure to have adult supervision when using knives. I would also recommend to be very careful with this as to not rip the picture. Now I've cut all my pieces and here they are, and now I'm going to be trying to assemble this puzzle. Now you're done. Lastly, we're going to be making this beach chair stand for our phone. Start out by painting about 6 popsicle sticks, whatever color you want. You can also just leave this plain. Also paint 1 bamboo skewer the same color as your popsicle sticks. Once your skewers have dried, cut 2 of them to 8 centimeters. Cut another 2 to 8.5 centimeters. After that, mark a popsicle stick at 3 centimeters and cut it. Cut 2. As you can see, I'm rounding off the ends here. Now we have our 2 popsicle sticks. After that, take 2 popsicle sticks and 2 bamboo skewers and glue them in the formation that I'm doing here. You may have to press this down for a little bit to make sure that it stays. I made 2 popsicle stick bamboo skewer thingies, and you'll find that one fits inside the other, as you can see, and I'm kind of trying to arrange this in an angled kind of shape, as you can see here, just as a beach chair would be. Then take the 2 popsicle sticks we cut earlier and place them supporting the angle of the beach chair. Here's the side view so you can see better, and then just hot glue this in place. Repeat the same process on the other side. So this is how mine came out. As you can see, it is a little crooked, but that's okay, it'll come out fine in the end. The very last step in making this beach chair is putting a piece of craft foam around the chair so it actually looks like a beach chair. All you have to do is hot glue the foam to itself around the little bamboo skewer. Turn the chair around and repeat the same process for the other side. Make sure to leave a little indent in the foam to ensure that the foam will stay. Now we're done! Alright everyone, so that was 3 things to make with popsicle sticks. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that big like button, subscribe, and comment down below which one was your favorite. So see you guys next time. Bye!